Welcome to Marketing with April, your coach for achieving high-impact marketing results.
Owning your own business is tough, but promoting your own business is even tougher. I want to talk to you today about the importance of being found online. The old coffee shop talks where friends got together and chatted about things like their experiences are a way of the past. The new word of mouth is online. Statistics have shown that 85% of all buying decisions are made online these days, and that in itself is the most important reason why your business needs to be found online. Are you saying to yourself, I just can't afford it right now? The truth is, you can't afford not to. With 85% of all buying decisions done online, having a web presence is everything if you plan to succeed in your small business. Not only is it important to be found, but you need to be visible in the places where potential customers are looking. Marketing with April is a full-service marketing agency that will help your business create effective branding strategies, set realistic, attainable marketing goals, and build a strong online presence. Do you want an effective and productive business with a clear vision for the future? Well, sign up for your free reputation report at www.marketingwithapril.com or call today at 855-54-APRIL and let us begin working for you.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our video. Please be sure to like us on Facebook and Instagram at Marketing with April. We look forward to working with you soon.